of dead stuff is what remains of my sweet potato plant, which has grown out here. And I've never grown sweet potatoes before, so I'm kind of excited to see what has happened. I'm trying to keep my expectations really low because I didn't fertilize this at all, and it turns out that the really nice garden compost mix that we bought turns out to be mostly just, you know, infertile dirt with not a single helpful bacteria in it. So so these might be a huge disappointment, but it's so exciting to dig them up, so I thought we would do it together. So I just read that sweet potatoes can be pretty delicate when they first come out of the ground. So I'm just gonna cut some of this off and get in my big bucket here so that I can sort of see what I'm doing. And then I brought a shovel to help me so that I don't have to torque on them too much. Oh, let's see. That's a little bit of a disappointment. Okay, put that in the bucket.
That doesn't look like a potato.
It does not look like a potato. Yes, it seems to be missing a lot of important potato parts. You know, I think they're down in there. They're just really... So I think I'm pulling up... I think I'm missing the potato part. See? I think that was attached to a potato once upon a time.
Uh-huh.
So...
Maybe loosen up the soil a bit more with your hand shovel.
Yeah.
I just want to point out that you started this video with they can be delicate and you're ripping parts of it off. I'm just pointing that out as help.
Well, you have to be able to harvest them, otherwise what's the point of growing them, right?
Right, that's why your camera person was thinking maybe loosen up the soil with the hand shovel.
I hear you. I'm just ignoring you.
Yeah.
But okay. All right, now I'm gonna loosen, honey. Oh, wait, I think I found something. Maybe. They're kind of deep. Maybe, if they're there.
Uh-huh.
If they exist, they might be deep.
Everybody is just waiting with
I know,
such
right?
anticipation.
Oh, I found one.
Well,
it's a little deformed, but
yep.
we're gonna eat this one. All right, now these have to cure for about a week in warm, sunny conditions.
Yep.
So actually, we're gonna put them all over the dining room table.
Great.
Where they get the sunlight.
Oh,
and
we love that.
I know. Everybody will be able to comment on my little misshapen sweet potatoes.
Yep.
All right, let's see if we got some more in here.
Well, look at that.
I know.
2 at once.
I should have brought a small bowl out here to collect them in.
No, I just think what you've grown here are those special vegetables that you can get at a fancy restaurant.
Oh, like the little baby ones.
Yes. And so we can just have, 2 or 3 on a dish, and then that's because it's super fancy.
These I do not understand. So this is the third one like this that I've pulled out.
Yeah.
And look at it. It's
Misshapen.
really odd.
Yeah.
really do not enjoy being harvested, these sweet potatoes.
Yeah, see, that's just because you're gonna make a super fancy meal with, you know, not enough food to actually feel full.
Yeah. Okay, I really need a better method for harvesting. I'm unsatisfied with this technique. Okay, I'm going
Well, maybe it's easier when there's actually sweet potatoes in there of of normal size. It looks like they did a lot of work on vines, leaves, and roots, and didn't do much on the whole storage in the
potato part.
tuber, right? These are tubers.
Yes, these are tubers.
I don't know. Do they qualify as a tuber when they are the size of a finger?
You know, I what? There's nothing wrong with that. That's perfectly normal.
There is so much wrong with all of this.
It was such a healthy looking plant too.
It was.
You know?
It was. Yeah. This is just the.
See,
this,
it's like
yeah.
I'm growing tops. You know, like just the.
I've never seen a vegetable that's basically a square. I didn't even know you could grow.
We do amazing
Square.
things out here on our garden farm, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This has been a Saturday of, well, fail.
Disappointment, really.
Fails. Fails.
So, part of my issue here is that it seems like they are much deeper than you would think. And they're...
Yeah, I mean, the amount of effort that you're exerting leads one to believe too that perhaps there wasn't enough organic matter in there to make it.
Like I said, this... Oh, wait.
There it is.
A potato
Yeah.
of... I don't know, you can see it. As opposed to this one, which is clearly emaciated.
All right, I'm zooming in on this bounty. Look at that. I mean, friends. Wow. Oh, even better.
They're like roots with pigment.
Yeah. Clearly, we had languishing. I'm gonna call these pandemic sweet potatoes.
like so many of us, right? Just
That's
barely hanging on.
basically what it feels like working through a pandemic. That's what I'm going with.
Ooh. Decent.
Wow, have the standards dropped rapidly. I don't know what metric you're using for decent.
Floating on the pond.
We just got a duck's
Does
shaped. It does.
It's very duck-like.
We're in Minnesota, so I'm going with a loon.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
We might have to keep this one. We can shellac it and keep it on the table.
It's at least the size of your palm. That's a record. That's
know.
a record keeper. Look at how much bigger it is. Look at that. It's ginormous. And there's another one in there.
Yeah.
Maybe you're getting into the ginormous ones.
Yeah. We got another square one.
I don't understand
I don't
those.
understand the square ones. How do you grow a square potato? I don't know.
I don't know. That's what happens on the garden farm.
Yeah. So next year we are going to still use this, because actually this is stunning in the middle of summer with all the leaves spilling out over the thing. So we're still going to grow them here, but I am going to amend this soil in a couple of different ways. First, I'm going to put some fertilizer in here so that we can actually grow things that are, you know, big enough to matter. And then I'm also going to mix in some peat moss, maybe some vermiculite, stuff to make it a little softer, so that the potatoes can grow more normal potato shape.
I think that's a good idea.
But we will eat these.
Yeah.
And they will be delicious.
Those are going to be delicious. I'm looking forward to them.